square.
Good morning. Today we have a question on vectors. The sum of the horizontal component and vertical component of a vector is 20 Newton second. The product of the two components is 96 Newton second. Determine the vertical component and horizontal component. And note, the vertical component is less than the horizontal component. Okay, so to solve this, we'll represent them with variables. So let's take the horizontal to be Vx, then the vertical to be Vy. Take the vertical to be Vy. Then the side their sum is 20. So the horizontal plus the vertical is 20. Then the side the product is 96. We are multiplying. So this is equation 1. Take this as equation 1, equation 2. Then now we need to substitute one in order to solve it. So I will make x the subject and substitute it into equation 1. So Vx is equal to 96 over Vy. So this is equation 3. Then now substitute this equation into your first equation. So in that case, we have so this is the equation we will have. Then now multiply was through by the LCM. In this case, the LCM is what? Vy. So times Vy times Vy times Vy. So this will cancel this. So we are left with 96 plus Vy squared is equal to 20 Vy. Then now, whenever you see squared and when you see a variable that is squared, then the other one is also um, in ones, in exponent 1. You should know that it's a quadratic equation. So now we should equate all of this to 0 in order to solve the quadratic equation. So Vy squared, then when this comes here, it becomes negative. Minus 20 Vy is minus plus 96 is equal to 0. So do you get it? Then now we have a quadratic equation. How do we solve it? So we need to have component that when you add it will sum up to 20. And those numbers when you multiply them you get 96. So we find the factors of 96 that when you add you get 20. So 96. So the factors of 96 we have 2 and 48, 3 and what? 3 and 32, 4 and 24. Then we also have 8 and 60 and so on. But right now you can realize that this plus this is 20. So we now substitute this into the equation. So then now we factorize. So we can have Vy minus 8 minus this is Vy. This is Vy minus 8 is equal to 0. Then from here we know that Vy is equal to 12 or Vy is equal to 8. So this is what we have. But know that they said the vertical component is less than the horizontal component. So that means that the vertical component must be the smaller number, while the horizontal component must be the bigger number. So that means that our vertical component is equal to what? 8 Newton second. Whereas our horizontal component is equal to what? 12 Newton second. So this is what we have for today. Try um, like, share, and subscribe, and also try more questions on vectors in order to become a good physicist. Subscribe and share. Bye bye.